How to quickly create professional tables in Photoshop. Normally, building tables means drawing dozens of lines, aligning text manually, and constantly fixing spacing issues. But with this Photoshop script, the entire workflow becomes one click. Simply select an area, import a CSV file, or enter your own rows and columns. The script automatically creates the table structure, adds text, applies styling, and keeps everything perfectly organized. No manual alignment, no repetitive editing, no wasted time. Perfect for product specifications, pricing charts, data sheets, catalogs, and presentation layouts. Watch the full demo and grab the script below.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love, moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side.